exchange rate between dollar and yen is, I think, 102 yen per dollar. Or maybe it's 103. What is it? Something else?
107.
Already went back up to 107. So what does that mean, by the way? Is the dollar getting weaker or stronger? So before it was 102, now it's 107. What happened? Is the dollar getting weaker or stronger? What does 107 mean? It means $1 will give you 107 yen. Before, $1 would give you 102 yen. So did the dollar get stronger or weaker? Stronger, right? Went from only buying 102 yen to now buying 107. So it got stronger. Anyway, that's a rate of change, kind of a rate of change, exchange rates. Anyway, rates come up all the time, all over the place. And speed is just one example of rate. Really, we want to study rates of change, but I'm just using speed as the original example, original with regard to calculus. Okay? But really, we want to focus on rates of change, because they are happening in business all the time. So we'll use them. We'll look at them. Okay, but anyway, average speed. So suppose we want to look at the average. So this is a rate of change. So I'm going to call it, in general, we want an average rate of change. Right now, we're talking about average speed, but in general, we want to talk about average rate of change. So anyway, so I could ask you, what's the average speed? But that is not a fully formed question. That is not a clear question. What was the average speed? Could you give me an answer to that? No, it's not. It's like if I say, what is your I don't know, I can't think of a good example, but what is your color or something? It doesn't make any sense, right? Or what is your size? What is your size? Right? It's not a very clear question, right? My size is, I don't know, it could mean the weight, it could mean my height, it could mean my income, it could mean all kinds of things. It's not a clear question. And if I say, what is the average speed? That also is not a clear question. So I have to be more specific. I can say, what is the average, I can spell it, average speed in the first second? Now that becomes a clear question. So what's the answer to that? So, well, maybe you're not clear about what it means, but at least I'm clear about it. And that means the average speed means the change in distance, during the first second over the change in time during the first second. Okay, so what was the change? Oh, by the way, so what was the change in distance in the first second? It went from t equals 0